Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add PaySafeCard to your Google Play account. First, open your Google Play Store on your device. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, choose Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap on Payment Methods. You now have two ways to add PaySafeCard. First, tap Add Credit or Debit Card and enter your card details manually. Or use the Scan Card option to take a photo. Or tap Redeem Code, then type in your PaySafeCard voucher number and hit Redeem. And that's it. That's how to add PaySafeCard to Google Play. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.